Here's something you don't see every day. This is a 1976 Midway Seawolf arcade game. This was the second version of this type of game. The first one was Sea Devil, which I think came out in like 70, 71, and it was electromechanical submarine game. This is the full arcade version here, video game. And believe it or not, this was the actual game I used to play at Cedar Point. I remember going there in 1977 as a kid, and I bought this from Cedar Point a few years ago and just spent the last couple of years restoring it. So I have the exact game that was at Cedar Point that I played 43 years ago sitting in my basement right now. So pretty neat, neat construction. It's got a really heavy-duty periscope. And it's actually pretty good gameplay. I'll try to demonstrate it on the phone here. It's a little hard to do due to the periscope, but we'll give it a shot. I'm going to shut off the lights first, though. Okay. See if we can get this set up. It's going to be a little hard to play, like I said, from the back here, but we'll give it a shot. As you can see, there's a indicator showing how many torpedoes you have remaining. I have 2, 3, and 4. Now just 3 and 4. Now just 4. Oh, I hit a mine instead of the ship there. There we are. There's a video of it not looking through the periscope versus the periscope. Neat game. It's been, like I said, restored pretty nice. You don't see many of these around anymore, so it's fun to keep this kind of stuff going. Anyway, I got a, maybe possibly bought a Sea Devil, which I'll do a video on it next week if I get it. Hopefully it's in working condition, and like I said, I spent 2 years redoing this one, so thanks for watching.